welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Your Girl. On today's episode, we're going to be making another avocado recipe. It's going to be like an avocado salad slash casserole. I don't know what to call it, but it's going to be good. I can promise you that. So let me drop y'all down so we can start. Okay, so to start, we're going to need 3 avocados. These are pretty small. We're also going to use about half of a tomato. Going to need some lemon, some ground black pepper, and of course something to cut with, okay? So we're just going to start off by opening an avocado. If you don't know how to open an avocado safely, pause this, go watch another video, okay, of how to open it up safely, because I don't do anything safely, okay? So you're not going to learn how to open an avocado safely from me, okay? You have taken the seeds out. Go ahead and take the skin off. I hate saying take the skin off or something. It reminds me of that Jeepers Creepers movie. At the end where he's like taking his skin off. Okay, so now that is all prepped, we're just gonna take them and kind of cut them into cubes like that. So all the avocado is cut, and we're just gonna take half of this tomato and chop that up with it. After that, we're going to get our lemon and just kind of push it down onto something hard so it releases its juices. I'm just going to do half of this lemon on top because we don't have too much avocado. Don't want it too lemony, so just enough to give it a little kick. Okay, and that's time to go wash my hands. The lemon is on there. The last thing we're going to add is the ground black pepper. That should be enough. Mix all that together like so. And that is basically it, you guys. This is this delicious goodness. So I'll bring y'all up so we can do the taste test. Okay, so y'all are up for the taste test. It's so perfect right now because it's so hot in here. And it's like thundering and raining, but it's still so hot. So this is perfect for that. So I'm probably gonna eat this whole thing because I'm hungry. And thank you so much, guys, for Thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.